Welcome back to another video, man. Same day, new video. You already know if y'all watched the last video. We just went and put the snow tires on. So we're gonna get our first drive in from here to the crib just to see how it handled, because I ain't never drove no car with these kind of snow tires on it, let alone good snow tires. So I'm only literally like 2 minutes from the shop, so I didn't go far, so I didn't get a real good feel for it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna hop in, we're gonna do a POV of how it drive with the snow tires on. So let's get it, y'all. So I'm gonna pop on a POV for y'all real quick and we're gonna get this video going, man. All right, so we good to go, y'all. Let's go on this first drive, test out these new winter tires. Well, not newly used, I should say. See how these joints ride. So for those that don't know what kind of tires these are BLIZZAK. Pretty much what everybody lives up to, what everybody talks about pretty much for the best snow tires. Everybody says BLIZZAKs are the best snow tires. But we gonna find out when it starts snowing. Oh, okay, so first thing I noticed, man, it's a lot of road noise. A lot of road noise. And you hear it immediately too. So we doing 35 and I got a lot of road noise. Oh yeah, it's got a lot of road noise. But that won't bother me because I listen to loud music. So obviously I only hear it because I'm doing this video. I probably wouldn't even have noticed it if I wasn't doing this video. Oh. Oh my God. Yo. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I might be, hold on, I don't know. That can't be right. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, the handling is way better than those stock Pirellis. Look how easily the car just, oh my, wait, how can snow tires have better handling than performance tires? That makes no sense. Yo, it's moving like butter though. Oh nah, Pirelli, I got a problem, bro. How BLIZZAK snow tires got better handling than y'all P0s? Yo, that's crazy. This steering wheel is so light. And I even got it in track mode too, where it stiffens up a little bit. Let me go to steering and track, because I know that'll tighten it up too. Damn, even then though, it's still butter smooth, son. What? Oh, that's crazy. I guess these tires is good like everybody be talking about. I gotta take a turn though. I gotta see what's up. I gotta take a turn. Zero, I already know I ain't gonna have no traction, so I ain't even worried about that. Yo, zero traction. Oh my God, yeah, that's a lot of road noise. Luckily, I'm only hearing it for this video, because I don't know if I could take that. Yo, but I tell y'all, the steering is so smooth. The car literally feel like it's gliding. And even with the snow tires, the actual the ride is still smooth itself too. It feels just as smooth as it did with the stock Pirellis on. Man, these is some good tires though. Obviously I ain't go through no snow yet, but for this quick little drive, there's some decent tires. Oh yeah, nah, these joints is nice. I like these. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm so impressed with how the handling feels. Bro, this Hellcat feel like a new car, bro, with these tires on. Let me see how it turned well. Son, bro, this joint is crazy. Bruh. Oh my God, yo, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I feel like I could track this car. It's going in the lane so smoothly. Yo, let me see. Yo, look how smooth that is though. Oh my God. Bro, on snow tires? No way. No way, this joint is moving so smooth like that. Yo! Oh nah, we might I might have to find who make BLIZZAK? Is it Bridgestone? I might have to find some performance tires through Bridgestone, bro. These joints is crazy. Yo, I had to turn this camera on so y'all can see my reaction, bro. Watch how I take this corner up here, son. If I can get my camera going. Nope. Anyway. Oh my God. Bro, this joint is crazy. Hey, yo, I legit feel like a go-kart. Yo, I'm not even gonna lie. This joint feel like a go-kart, bro. It's moving in and out of lanes so smoothly. My fault, I'm just now getting a GoPro set up for y'all for my reaction. Son. I mean, obviously the traction ain't great, but it's something there. Bro. On snow tires, bro, this joint driving like this. Let me see. Watch how smooth we get in this lane. Yo, this joint is crazy, bro. Yo, I feel like I got a new car, yo. I'm not even gonna lie. Ooh, this joint, oh man, this joint feel like it's on ice skates too. Service tire pressure sensor. What? That's weird. On the front tire, front right. This joint take corners like nothing. Look at that. Oh my God, it's so easy to turn. Yo. I legit just turned my Hellcat into a go-kart, son. Oh my God. Yo. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I didn't even have that much fun when I first bought the car. Yo. Yo, these tires. I give it to BLIZZAK, man. These tires is crazy. I got my son calling me. Hi, Papa.
Daddy, I'm supposed to see you.
Oh, yeah, you can't see me because my phone plugged up. Hold on. I'm outside. Say hi, YouTube. I'm coming in the house right now. I'm coming in the house right now. All right. All right, bye. Bruh. Yo, these BLIZZAKs is crazy. I'm impressed, man. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This is gonna be fun in the winter. It's definitely gonna be fun when we start getting some snow down. The way this joint handle though, in between lanes, taking turns, yo, it's a whole new car. I can't imagine having this car at the track with some really good tires and being able to turn like I just was. This joint is crazy. Listen, if y'all looking for some snow tires, I definitely recommend the BLIZZAKs, bro. These, yo, it turned my car into a whole new car. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, the car feel like it drives better than it did on the stock Pirelli tires. There's no way those tires that bad, that snow tires drive better than the stock Pirellis. This is crazy, man. But hopefully y'all like that video. This joint be, yo, I feel like I could literally like just curve in and out of lanes now, like so easily, way better than I did. Like, and the crazy part is, I feel more safe doing it with those tires on than I did with the Pirellis any day. It feel way more controllable and everything with those tires on, bro. Yo, that's crazy. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, man. I'm out. I'm hyped, bro. I can't wait for snow now. I'm mad hyped for snow. Especially off of driving in the rain like that. And I'm curving in and out of lanes with no slipping, no nothing. Yeah, I can't wait for the snow, y'all. Can't wait for the snow. But that's all I got for y'all, man. I'm gonna let y'all go. Stay safe, man. Stay positive. Stay motivated, man. I'm out. I'm gonna see you on the next video, man. Peace.